Here is the 2010 to 2015 Hyundai Tucson. Before we get started though, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory. Now let's go ahead and get started. Open the driver's side door. Now right there at the bottom on the left side you'll find the primary hood release lever. Pull it in front of the vehicle, right on top of that Hyundai emblem there. That's where the secondary hood release lever is. Put two fingers in there and push it up. Push it up and lift up the hood. This hood requires a prop rod to stay in place, so grab the rod and put it in that slot with the arrow marking it and let it go. Let's start with the passenger light first. That's the bulb right over there. The way to access it is you have to go behind it. Right there, that black cap, that's the one. We have to take it off, so grab it and twist it left. Like 1/8 of a turn. Twist it left. And that's it. Now it's loose and we can get it off. Let's get the electrical connector off now. Just grab the connector and pull it out straight. You may have to wiggle it, but it'll come right out. Yep, now let's get that out of the way. Now we have to get that clip off. So pay attention to how I'm taking it out. So push down, slide it around that hook over there, and then get it out. Yep, now it's off. Get the clip out as much as you can. That clip is annoying, it's going to keep on dropping, but try and get it out as much as you can. And then let's get the bulb out. When you're touching the bulb, make sure you don't touch it with your bare skin, because the oil from your skin is going to get on the glass surface and damage the bulb. So wear some gloves or use a towel or something. The bulb number is right there on it, 9003 or HB2. Again, 9003 or HB2. Get the new bulb and let's put the bulb back in. Now again, when you're trying to put the bulb back in, that clip's going to get in the way, so you have to sort of navigate around it and get the bulb back in position. It's important that you get the bulb back in position properly, just the way I'm showing over here. Right there, now it's in position. Look at those three notches. See how it's positioned properly there? Yep, 1, 2 and 3. That is good. Now let's put the clip back on. The clip pushes over there. Let's push the clip behind that hook there and then let it go. Yep, that's it. Now it's secured in place. That's good. Let's put the connector back on. It only goes on in one way. Put it back on, slide it and push it. And now it's secured. Let's put the cap back on. Now when you put the cap back on, very likely you're gonna have to like twist and turn for a few seconds to get it to drop in. See, right now it's not dropping in. I'm just sort of twisting and turning it. But once it drops in, it's gonna go in. Just like that. Yes, right there. See how it goes in? That's good. Now you just have to twist it right, locked, and you're done. Moving on to the driver's side. Same position, same cap, same process, same everything. Let's twist the cap left, get it off. Let's get the connector off now. Just grab it and pull it out straight. Get it out of the way. Push on the clip and around the hook. Just like that. And now it's out. Let's get the bulb out now. It's the same bulb and it's the same process, but I'm going to show you just so I can prove it to you that it is in fact the same bulb, and it's just as easy to get it out. There's the bulb right there. Bulb size is same, 9003 or HB2. 9003 or HB2. Let's get the new bulb and let's get it back in place. Again, you are very likely going to struggle with that clip. It's going to keep on falling in your way, but just get the bulb back in the way I'm showing. Position it that way. Now let's put the clip back on and secure it around the hook. It's good. Let's put the electrical connector back on. And now let's put the cap back on. Make sure it sort of drops in. That's good. Twist it right and you're done. And that's it. See how easy the whole process was? We changed both the bulbs in less than 5 minutes. In order to close the hood, first take load off the prop rod, so push it. Get the prop rod out of there. Put it back in its place. Secure it. Lower the hood and slam it shut. Hope you found it useful.